So, we went to Formosa Bakery. It's a bakery here at SM Manila. And let's do a bread haul. Okay, I got this milk loaf. Milk-flavored bread daw siya. Ito masarap. Let's try that one out. Mukha siyang sausage bread. And then, ito sabi ni Isa, masarap daw. It's chiffon mocha. Mocha ba? Mocha cake. Sobrang lambot, guys. Love it. Like this video kapag like nyo rin yung mga malambot. Alam ko na ba't favorite ni Papa yan sa may itlog. Favorite doon ni Papa to. Ewan ko bakit. Anong meron dito sa ensaymada. Ano to eh? Salted egg to, diba? Oh, kaya pala favorite niya kasi sweet and spicy. Sweet and salty. My sister, ang arte. I'm making pasta right now, guys. So we have fettuccine for the pasta. We have tuna, mushrooms, and then we're gonna pour in some white sauce. Look at that. Oh my gosh. 1 box on all-purpose cream. Actually, yung recipe nito, recipe din ng white chicken, pero ginawa ko lang is tuna, tapos yun, pasta. Nilagyan ko ng pasta. Yummy. So, I didn't vlog at all yesterday, pero ngayon, pupunta kami ni Iza sa SM Manila to buy some stuff. Nagluto ako ng pasta kanina. Super duper yummy. So, tomorrow is my first day at the Asia Pop Comic Con event. I'm really excited, and we're gonna be checking in Conrad Hotel bukas. Kaya, magpapack na ako mamaya. My sister and I are having waffles. Look at this, guys. Toasted marshmallow siya with chocolate. Parang ang gulo nung... Parang ang ano nung... Ang pangit ng waffle, no? Yung batter siguro nila hindi ganun ka-okay. Pero anyway, yeah, we're having waffles. Tomorrow din pala, guys, my sister is going to be shooting me. Ang dami namin gagawing mga pegs and all of that for official shoot, whatever. Bumili rin pala ako ng bagong tripod kasi yung tripod ko na to, sira na yung isang ganito niya. So, hindi siya maglalak. Kaya bumili ako ng bago. Sa Quiapo lang naman. And then I have here, naghanda na ako kanina mga damit for the shoot. Ayun, pero gulo yan. Magmamaleta ako. Lagi kong pinapanood sa gabi, si Dose of Fusi. Funny. May bagong video rin si Ate Charon. Super favorite ko tong bago. Yung Verum AC. If you remember from before, may Verum S na show. So, yan. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Yay! So, I just finished chopping up some chicken, carrots, and then mushrooms. So, I'm gonna do a small serving of small serving ng white chicken. Lutuin for breakfast tomorrow or brunch. Iba naman yung luto ko sa kanya ngayon, guys. So, ang gagawin ko, iboboil ko lahat, and then i-drain ko, and then yung sauce na. Pwede rin yun. Kayo bahala. Pero if you want to follow the original recipe, I'll have the link in the information box. Pero, ito kasi medyo quicker way siya kasi nagmamandali ako. I have to pack pa. So, ayan. Lahat ng mga meet ko tomorrow will get a free free lipstick. Ayan, guys, sobrang dami kong lipstick right now. Lahat din ipapamigay ko. Bongga! I'll finally be able to try these sore spot cushions or heel cushions that I got from Daiso tomorrow. Iti-try ko kung okay siya. Since yung original kasi na ganito, mahal. So sabi ko, try ko muna to. Baka bongga. So after draining it, I put in the all-purpose cream na pati yung Norcube. And then it's done. Sobrang easy lang and sobrang sarap, guys. So you should really try it out. Pak. Super duper short vlog for today. I'm really sorry, guys. Wala talaga nangyari. Kahapon tsaka ngayon, kaya sobrang short ng vlog. Anyway, I have my hair in curlers. Ginamit ko na yung curlers from Daiso. Yung tig 88 pesos na pack. In fair, hindi ko naubos lahat. Madami pang natira. Like, ang dami pang natira doon. Tignan natin kung gagana siya tomorrow. Kasi I want my hair to be curly tomorrow. So, if you can hear the rain outside, it's not sobrang lakas ng ulan. I just hope na tumigil na yung ulan. Pero alam ko kasi may bagyo. So anyway, I'm just watching Orange is the New Black and then finishing up some more work. It's 2:50 AM, guys. Actually, I contemplated whether I should upload this vlog or not kasi nga very putol-putol tsaka medyo parang walang pangyayari sa buhay. Pero sabi ko, parang sayang naman yung video. So that is it for the vlog muna for today, guys. Tomorrow, I promise you, sobrang ganda ng vlog, as in, I will make it good for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. And ano ba? Yun lang naman. Curler, burler, love it. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye!